Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to withdraw USDT from Coinstore in 2025. If you're holding onto your Tether and ready to move it out, this step-by-step guide will get you there safely and efficiently. USDT is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a favorite for quick transfers, but always remember, crypto involves risks, so double-check everything. First off, make sure you have a verified Coinstore account and some USDT in your wallet. If you don't, pause here and handle that first, it's crucial for security. Step 1. Log in to your Coinstore account. Use a secure device and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, if you haven't already. This adds an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. Step 2. Once logged in, navigate to the Wallets or Assets section. Here, you'll see a list of your cryptocurrencies. Locate USDT and click on it to access your balance. Step 3. Look for the Withdraw or Withdrawal button next to your USDT balance. Click it to open the withdrawal form. Step 4. Enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and network fees. Coinstore might charge a small fee, so check that first. Step 5. Input the destination wallet address. This is where your USDT will go, so triple-check it's correct to avoid losing funds. Make sure to select the right network, like Tron or Ethereum, depending on your wallet. Step 6. Review all the details on the confirmation page. This includes the amount, fees, and final address. If everything looks good, hit Confirm and complete any 2FA verification. Step 7. Wait for the transaction to process. It usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, you can check your external wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. A quick tip. Always withdraw to a wallet you control, never to an exchange, and keep an eye on market volatility. That's it for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.